Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about accidents. And if you guys don't know, accidents have been a very big issue in Jamaica just because of reckless driving. And not only that, a lot of children have died in the past years because of the way how Jamaican roads are set up, and also the way that people drive on those roads. So let's get into this video. It says that 300, that's the number of persons who have died from road traffic crashes since the start of the year. According to updated statistics provided by the Road Safety Unit RSU on Wednesday, this means 5 persons died on the road since Monday, when the figure stood at 295. Of the 300 deaths, vulnerable road users such as motorcyclists, pedestrians, pedal cyclists, and pillions accounted for 64% of the fatalities. So people when they walk on the road, crossing the road, going about their business, people that walk riding their motorcycles or riding their bicycles account for 64% of the people that died. That's more than half. Wow. The unit, which is located in the Ministry of Transport and Mining, has again highlighted that males accounted for the majority of road fatalities. Of the 300 deaths, 89%, 266 were males, and the 11%, which is 37 out of the 300, were females. Wow. Fatal crashes and fatalities have increased by 20%, 15% respectively, and when compared with similar period in 2018. So crashes in Jamaica have increased by 20%, and this is nothing new. We have been to Jamaica twice this year, and both times it's nothing new. We see people driving crazy on the road, and there is cops going to work or coming from work or just patrolling the area, and they don't say a word. They don't stop them. They don't turn on their sirens, nothing. So if the police officers won't do anything, then why do you think that the people are going to change? Like, they're not gonna change. And there needs to be stiffer penalties for when you meet in an accident and you actually kill somebody in Jamaica. A lot of the times when these people meet accident, they don't kill themselves, they kill somebody else, and there needs to be stiffer penalties for that. You cannot be reckless, you cannot be careless when driving a motor vehicle. You have a certain level of responsibility that you have to take when operating a motor vehicle. So there needs to be definitely stiffer penalties, and there needs to be more of a pressure put on personnel, whether it be a bus driver, taxi driver, regular civilian, and how they use the road. There also need to be some incentives for the JCF to actually ticket these people or get their car taken away if they are not following the road rules, laws, and regulation. So comment in the comment section, what do you think about 64% of this year's fatalities as far as traffic is concerned, or motor vehicles are concerned, has to do with motorcyclists and pedestrians and people that are riding bikes? What do you guys think about that? And what do you guys think about 266 males dying so far this year in car accidents? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.